guys, today on tutorial time we have the neon color blue street rollers, and let's get started. So you see this button, we are going to put it on the heel and you can tighten it up whichever way you want, and there will be a clip right there and a hold where you can clip it on. Mine's a little bit too tight. There you go. Okay, so let's get started. So the 3 key rules you need to know is 1, you can check which foot feels more comfortable for your front foot, and you brake on your toes, and you do not get your feet close up together like this or you'll fall backwards. Do like this or like this, whichever foot is comfortable. So, gonna kind of put your heels up a little bit to make the wheels touch the ground. That will glow in the dark. The wheels can glow. And it's hard to turn. We need to get a lot of practice before you start turning. I usually just stop and do this. And if you get really good at it, you can just get slime and just squeeze them, or you can go to Walmart and grab these. And that's all for now.